एंजल 1:10 स्टॉक स्प्लिट एक्सप्लेन्ड. What retail investors must know. Angel One has approved a 10-for-1 stock split, which means every existing share will be divided into 10 smaller shares. The total investment value remains unchanged, but the number of shares in each investor's portfolio will increase tenfold, making the stock more affordable for retail participants. The primary goal of the split is to enhance liquidity and encourage wider participation, particularly among small and retail investors. Lower per-share prices can lead to higher trading volumes and smoother price discovery in the market. Alongside the stock split, Angel One declared a 23 rupees interim dividend per share for FY26, payable to shareholders registered as of January 21, 2026. The dividend payout is scheduled for February 13, 2026, offering shareholders a direct cash return from the company's profits. For retail investors, the stock split improves accessibility, allowing smaller investments to buy more shares, while the dividend provides immediate income. Both actions are seen as investor-friendly moves to strengthen market confidence. The stock split does not alter the company's market capitalization or fundamental value but may create psychological and technical benefits, attracting new investors and increasing overall market participation. Angel One's board highlighted these actions to reward shareholders and improve the trading experience for all classes of investors. The company continues to focus on growth in broking and digital financial services while ensuring shareholder returns remain a priority. Investors should note that after the split, their total holding value stays the same, but the share count increases. This also affects calculations of APEs and may impact trading strategies for retail and institutional investors. The interim dividend reflects management's confidence in cash flow stability and profitability, even as the company invests in technology, client acquisition, and platform enhancements to stay competitive in the broking space. In summary, Angel One's 1:10 stock split and 23 rupees dividend make the shares more accessible, reward investors, and signal the company's focus on shareholder-friendly initiatives, while broader market and operational performance continue to evolve. A new record date for the 1:10 stock split is expected to be announced soon, pending shareholder approval via postal ballot and other regulatory clearances. The completion process is expected within 2 months of approvals.